everyone, this is just an unboxing review of a battery I've ordered from eBay. Now, you need to know that every 2 years the battery capacity, that's the amount of charge it can hold, decreases. Initially it's 100%, then it goes down over time from 80 to... Now when it reaches 40%, Windows 7 gives you an error message saying consider replacing your battery. Now the question always arises, is buy an original battery or one that's not the original from eBay or Amazon from another site. What we've done is we've bought one from eBay which has a higher capacity, which I'm going to show you now. Okay, so this is one we bought from eBay. Okay, let's open it up. Okay, so what we can initially see is the one I've bought from eBay, which is not the original, has a higher capacity, which is 5200 mAh compared to 4200 for the original Toshiba battery. Now that's got higher capacity. I've ordered one before, and that was from my brother's laptop, and for a period of 6 months I asked him, how's your new battery? He said that one with the higher capacity lasts longer and he's got no problems. For those who are considering to buy an original or buy one that's not original from eBay, Amazon, if you go for one that's not original from a top rated seller from eBay, free delivery under £20. This was £17.50 from eBay. This Toshiba battery, that's a replacement here, so it's pretty cheap compared to original batteries which cost well over £30 to £40. So overall the replacement battery is really good.